We're playing in the factory today.
Let's have fun together in the factory.
We need to catch 3 pyramids. Tap left to move left. 1 pyramid. 2 pyramids. 3 pyramids.
Awesome!
We need to catch 5 cubes. 1 cube. 2 cubes. 3 cubes. 4 cubes. 5 cubes.
I loved playing with you, Callie.
This was so much fun, Lisa.
Let's create Elliot. Elliot bakes cake. Elliot bakes a cake. Very good. Let's try something new. This is your next challenge. Bakes cake, Elliot. Elliot bakes a cake. That's great. Let's try the next one. Choose a card and drag it to create your own sentence. A strawberry cake. A chocolate cake. Buys. Lisa. Lisa buys a chocolate cake. Very good. Let's try something new. Here is your next challenge. Bake. Drag a huge. Bake. Drag a bakes. Huge cake. Elliot. Lisa. Drag a Lisa. Elliot bakes a huge cake for Lisa. Very good. See you soon. Billy is in his spaceship. First stop, the moon. Make a path to take the spaceship to the moon. Use the pieces to... Mission accomplished. Great work. Moon landing complete. We're going to balance the seesaw. Drag the toys to each side of the seesaw. Great! Now on to the next round. Drag all the toys onto the seesaw and make it balanced on both sides. Great job! You almost have it. Congratulations, you did it! Bye-bye!